Hi,
Hello,
Tom.
teacher.
Hello. So, how are you today, Tom?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, you're fine. And um, what mm, I forgot about it. So, what is the weather there today, Tom?
It's rainy.
Oh, it's raining. Is it heavy or slow?
It's heavy.
Oh, it is heavy rain there. I see. And did you already eat your dinner today, Tom?
Yes.
Oh, that's good to hear. What did you eat for dinner today, Tom?
I eat chicken, rice, and soup.
Oh, you eat chicken, rice, and soup today. That's a good dinner. And did you play soccer today, Tom?
Yes.
Oh, what time did you play soccer today, Tom? What time?
Is is the 4 of afternoon.
Oh, 4 at the afternoon, 4 p.m. And where do you play soccer today, Tam?
Again,
Where did you play soccer today?
I play in the playground.
Oh, you play in the playground today. That's good to hear. And did you play with your friends today, Tam?
Again.
Oh, you play with your friends today. It's good to hear. And did you watch World Cup today, Tam?
Yeah.
Oh, so what happened to the play, Tam? The soccer play.
Đừng có mất.
Tam, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Tam?
Yeah.
Okay. And can I ask what happened to the World Cup today? You've watch?
Chưa ngủ. Thì đó ích kỷ. Thì em đã hết mày luôn. Ôm nó chơi gì anh em ăn thôi. Em thích.
Okay, Tam, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And okay, so I will just ask it later. So now, are you ready to start or continue our lesson for today, Tom?
Yeah.
Okay, so before we start answering our the activity we stopped last class, now we will have a review about the story you read last class. So here, okay, based on this part, Tam, did Sam
Vậy đâu. Đừng
did
nghe
Sam
đừng
says yes to Timmy?
không tài sản mà em. Can you please tell me a story?
Okay. And did Sam agree? Yes or no?
No. No. No.
Yes.
I'm sorry. I will play football.
Oh, so Sam tells no. Here, the second one. What Cindy replied to Timmy asking,
Vậy
is
mà
it
mua
yes or no? Did
không
she
biết liền.
agree?
Hi, Cindy. How about you? Oh, hi, Timmy. I'm sorry. I will go to the playground.
Oh, did Cindy say yes or no?
No.
Yeah. Oh, correct. That's right. Cindy said no, and Sam said no too. So we already have, say, two no. Sam and Cindy. Next one. What Anna replied to Timmy asking? Okay, Sam, what Anna replied to Timmy?
Yes.
Okay. What did Anna reply to Timmy asking?
Hi, Anna. Can you please tell me a story?
And what Anna replied?
Hi, Timmy. Sorry, I can't write now. Maybe Jack can help you.
Oh, so we have. What is the answer? Anna replied. Is it yes or no to Timmy?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. Correct. It is no. So we have three no. So we have Sam said no, Cindy said no, and Anna said
What is it a
no.
time?
And next one, what is Jack replied to Timmy asking, reading him a book?
Hey, Jack, I need your help.
And what Jack replied?
Tell me what it is.
Okay, so what Timmy asked again?
Can you please tell me a story?
And what Jack replied now?
Sure.
Okay, that's correct. So what Jack replied, is it yes or no?
Yeah.
Very good. It is yes. So we got three answered no by Sam. Sam tell no. Cindy tell no. And Anna tell no. And only Jack said yes to Timmy question. So now I guess you're ready for this question. So can you read this, Timmy? Oh, Tam, sorry. Can you read this, Tam?
Can you please tell Timmy a story?
Okay, so here Sam said what? Based on the conversation they have. What Sam said.
It's uh it's it's Tom.
Okay, here we have here the first character. We have Sam. We have the Sam here in our story. So, Tam, what Sam said here? He said what? The Timmy request.
It's no.
Very good. It is no. And here, what is Cindy reply to Timmy based on the story? Yes or
Uh, it's
no?
it's no.
Very good. It is no. And Anna, what Anna reply to Cindy? Oh, no, to Timmy.
It's no.
Very good. It is also no. And Jack, what Jack replied to Timmy?
It's also yes.
Yes, that's correct. It is yes. So, how many no did Timmy got?
There are three.
Very
No.
good. There are three no Timmy got. And yes, how many yes Timmy got?
There is one.
Very good. There is only one, and that is who said yes is again Tom. Who says yes to Timmy?
It's that.
Yes, that's right. It is yes. But who says yes? Who is the person who said yes?
It's that.
Very good. It is Jack. And do you have a friend that also like to read books, Tam?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the name of your friend Tom that likes to read the book?
It's Jack.
Oh, is that your friend Tom, Jack?
Yeah.
Okay, so they are the same with Timmy. You have the same name of a friend. Okay, so here, okay, we have here can you read this, Tom? What we'll be doing here in this activity?
Role play.
Very good, role play. So we will
Yeah.
have, yes.
Some water.
Okay, go on, you can drink water. Okay, Tom?
Khuya mà cực con đuôi bộ là kia nó bảo cáu nữa. Đúng. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so you're back. And then here continuing. So first I will be Timmy and you will what is it? Okay. So I will be Timmy Tam and you will be the other person. And here I will read it first. So can you please tell me a story? So here, can you complete this, Tam?
Sorry, I will play football.
Very good. He said he will play football. And can you tell me a story, Tam?
Again.
Can you tell me a story?
No.
Okay, so that's right. That's correct. It is no in this role play. And here next one. Okay. Can you please tell me a story?
Yes. I
Uh,
know.
Jack?
Sure.
That's correct. That is what Jack replied. Very good, Tom. You remember it clearly. Jack said sure. Very good. And now we are in our last part of this lesson. Good job, Tom. So here, can you read this?
Can do it.
Very good. So here, can you read this?
Worse.
Can you read
Help.
our very good child? Next one.
Sorry.
And next one.
Please.
Very good. Next one, our
Sentences.
very good. Okay, you can read the sentences.
Can you please tell me a story?
And next one.
I'm sorry, I will play football.
Very good. So here we're in our second to the last slide. So can you read this one, Tam?
Old brass wagon. Circle to the left. The old brass wagon. Circle to the left. The old brass wagon. Circle to the left. The old brass wagon. You are the one my rallying. Circle to the right. The old brass wagon. Circle to the right. The old brass wagon. circle to the right, the old brass wagon. You are the one, my darling.
Very good, Sam. Good job for reading that one. And we are officially done for this lesson. Congratulations, Sam, for finishing another lesson today. So now we will start another one. So I guess you are ready for this one, Tom. Okay, wait, I will just spin this one. And Tom, before we start our new lesson for today, uh, do you like answering math problems, Tom?
Yes.
Oh, you like? So do you want to answer some math problems I prepared, Tom?
Yes.
Okay, so here I have a math problem. So I guess you will just answer this too. Wait, I will just make it big. Okay, here, Tom, you can answer this math problem. And you did it?
Yeah.
Okay, go
Yeah.
on. Can put it here. Your answer. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Wow, you're so fast answering this, Tam. Are you so good at math, Tam?
Yes.
Wow, that's the spirit, Tam. You're so good at this. You're so fast answering each question. So first, now let's check. So what is your answer for the number one, Tam?
Is 31.
Very good. It is right. 8 plus 3 is 11. And we have 1 plus 1, carry 1. We have 31. Good job. 6, what is your answer in the number 6, Tom?
Is 16.
Very good. It is 60. You answer 60.
60.
Okay, that's right. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 3 plus 2, 5. It is 6. 60. Good job. And the 7, number 7, Tom, what did you answer?
Uh, is is 38.
Very good. So let's check. 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Good job. Next one. What did you answer for this number, Tom? The number 8.
Is 95.
Very good. 95. So 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 6 is 9. Good job. And here in the number 9, what did you answer for the number 9, Tom?
Uh, is 63.
Okay, 63. So 7 plus 6 is 13 plus carry 1, 3 plus 2, 5, and plus 1, 16. 6, number 6. So it is 63. So here in the number 10, Tom, what did you answer?
Is 69.
69, that's right. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Very good. And the 11, what did you answer for the number 11?
Is 85.
85. So let's find out. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So it's 85. Good job. Next one, what did you answer for the last number?
Is 59.
Oh, it's 59. So let's find out. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So it is 59. So you get the 2, 4, 6, 8/8 score for this one, Tam. Good job. Do you like solving math problems, Tam?
Yes.
Oh, so do you like math subject?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's good to hear that you're so good at math, Tam. What is your favorite operation, Tam? Math operation.
Mm, I don't understand.
Okay, what is your favorite mathematical operation? Like, do you like the most the subtraction, the subtraction or the addition, Tam? What do you like the most?
Instruction.
Subtraction?
Yes.
Why? Why do you like the subtraction more?
I don't understand.
Why do you like subtraction?
I don't understand.
Okay, so I will change it. Why do you like math subject, Tam?
Because math is happy.
Oh, because you are happy doing math, solving math,
Yeah.
Tam? Oh, I see. That's good to hear that you are happy doing maths, um, solving math problems. So now we will proceed to our lesson for today. But before that, Tam, I forgot to ask you. Did did you watch the World Cup today?
Yes.
Oh, and what happened to your what is it again? The name of the I forgot the name of the football team that you are supporting. What is it the name again?
Is the club or countries?
Oh, that one. So what happened to their game today? Did they play today, Tom?
Is Portugal?
Yes, the Portugal. Did they play today? Play soccer today?
Yes. And
Oh,
Portugal win 5 goals.
5 goals. Wow, that's so big. And what time do they play today, Tom?
Hmm, I don't. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. I see. And are you happy that they win today?
Yes.
And can I ask them how many wins they got this week, this World Cup, the Portugal? How many
Is
wins?
is two.
Oh, so they have 2 wins in the game now?
Yes.
Wow, that's
Yes.
so good to hear, Tom, that they are winning. And does the Portugal will play again?
Yes.
When? When are they playing again?
He play in America.
Oh, they will play in the America? Is it right?
No, he play in Portugal.
Oh, yes, he played in the Portugal. And when his team will be playing football, does they will play tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, so you will be watching it too?
Yes.
Okay, I see. And what time are you watching the World Cup, there?
Is is 12
Oh, is it?
in the night,
Oh, 12 in the
and
night.
and and 2 in the morning.
Oh, 2 in the morning. That's so late at the night time. And what time do you sleep?
Mm, it's 9.
Oh, you sleep at 9. So you will be wake up in the 12 in the midnight?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So you're so dedicated in watching that fight. So do you have also friends that supporting Portugal too, Tom?
Yes.
Oh, so um what what is the name of your friend supporting Portugal too?
What? I don't understand.
Okay, so I will change it. How many friends of yours that support Portugal?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. So here I will translate it. How how many friends? Wait, many friends of yours support Portugal. Here, team.
Bạn có bao nhiêu người bạn ủng hộ đội tuyển Bồ Đào Nha?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. And here, can I ask, what is the name of the Portugal? What is the name of the team of the opponent team of Portugal? Here.
Đội đối thủ của Bồ Đào Nha là gì?
It's Uzbekistan.
Oh, Uzbekistan?
Yes.
Oh, and what country they are from, Tam?
Again.
What country they are from?
It's Uzbekistan.
Ah, Uzbekistan. That's already their country. And how many players has the Portugal? Here, Portugal have here.
Bồ Đào Nha có bao nhiêu cầu thủ?
Is 24.
Oh, 24. That's so many. And what is the I forget what is the term for this. What is the okay, I will change it. What is the color of Portugal uniform, Tam? What is the color of their uniform in playing?
It's red.
Oh, is it red only?
Yes.
Oh, I see. So you can easily see them in that stadium. And where is Portugal playing now in the World Cup here?
Đội tuyển Bồ Đào Nha hiện đang thi đấu ở giải nào tại World Cup?
It's one cup.
Oh, one cup. Sorry for that. So so where is the place the World One Cup is happening now, Tam?
It's the one cup league.
Yes, the One Cup League. Where is that happening right now?
Đó, Tiên có hỏi giải đấu trong giải các công ty em nhiều player in one. There are players in the World Cup.
Okay, so I see that there are so many players in the One Cup. So now, Tom, I see that we are already time and it's end of our class today. So, Tom, it's good to see you today in our class and Good job for answering and finishing our um lesson for this week or last week. So I will say my goodbye for today's class. Tam, bye-bye, Tam. Good night.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Good night, Tam. See you again.